G'day, I'm Brad Nichols from Harcourts in Berwick, and thanks again for having a look at this property today, and I'll catch you soon.
Number 4 Bishop Place in Berwick. Buyers will be clambering for this high quality 4-bedroom plus study Chase Estate special. Situated in a quiet, elevated section surrounded by pride of ownership on all sides, this is the family home so sought after in Berwick. Gorgeous porcelain tiles flow from the high ceiling entrance to the well-appointed kitchen, with 8.5-foot ceilings throughout and sizable open living spaces accessed easily. Consisting of good-sized bedrooms, master favoured with his and hers walk-in robes and ensuite, plus an open study that would enable a work-at-home option. Outstanding inside and out with wool carpet, manicured gardens, solar panels, lovely alfresco, evaporative cooling, ducted heating and additional car space flexibility to the left of the remote double lock-up garage. Nothing more to do, just move in.
Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks again and hope you have a great day. Any questions, please give us a call.